Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Naya Saka Aulia. I'm from Esa Unggul University, majoring English education. So now in this session, I want to discuss about my final test of ELT curriculum and syllabus, which is I make the ATP and the lesson plan. Starting from the unit select, I select unit 2, which is the title of your OnCell. This ATP focus on encourage students' ability to understand and use English in simple buying and selling contexts, including recognizing advertisements, stating price, and creating promotional materials communicatively and creatively. Why I choose the unit 2 your on cell because I think this unit is interesting for student age the level of junior high school, which is phase D, because this unit is relates on their daily lives or real lives, and maybe they they can uh, they can they can menerapkan in their daily activity. So I choose this unit. And number two is the ATP table in unit 2. In this column 1, this is week, and column 2 is unit and main unit, and the next column is learning objectives, the next column is core learning activities, and the last is assessment. Starting from the week 1, from the unit 2 you're on cell, my learning objectives is I want my students are able to identify the item and understand its discount in a visual advertisements, and students are able to understand the price and discount through reading. My core learning activities, starting from the pre-activity, which is my students respond to advertising with visual prompt and match the worksheet, in the reason of they can build their curiosity, stimulate their recall memory, and maybe also they expect what they learn after uh, they do the pre-activity. And this is the pre-activity until the post-activity I adapt on the book English for Nusantara, which is the pre-activity is uh, I respond to advertising with visual prompt and match the worksheet. And the whilst is analyze the conversation, how much is it? Like it's 30,000 rupiah, and what special price, and answer the question. After their reading, scanning, or reading a lot the conversation. After that, they analyze and they answer the question. After that, they reading for details, advertisement, and matching price worksheet. In this section, they in the book have reading reading text about a relate situation, and after that the student should matching price uh, in the form of worksheet, and the last is the post activity. The student must answer the multiple choice based on reading text. So after they reading, they understand and they could be able to uh, exercise their tasks like multiple choice based on reading text. And this assessment is worksheet, full of worksheet. And moving on in week 2, unit 2 your own cell, my learning objectives is students are able to apply expressions of how to ask and say how much, and students are able to ask and state the price of items using correct expressions. Starting from the proactivity, in the book of English for Nusantara, Unit 2, proactivity is asking and saying the price, such as how much is it, the backpack or the book, and also they could be answered with expressions to say the price. It is 50 rupiah, like this. And in the wilds, which is complete the question with the correct expression, such as how much is the jacket, and the answer is it's 60,000 rupiah. And also uh, the student answer the question like the example. And the pause is matching pictures with the correct statements, like mm, after they answer the question, they have to know that matching pictures with the correct statements, like in the jacket is 50,000 rupiah, and they match, like draw a line like this, and with correct statements also. And the assessments also worksheet, full of worksheet. And the last is week 3. In the week 3, you need to your own style. The learning objectives is students are able to present a shopping activities, for example, asking for price, buying and selling items, and students are able to create promotional poster about recyclable materials or pre-loved goods with vocabulary fluently in real context. In the book of English Nusantara, have the proactivity like pay attention to promotional poster and answer questions. Same like my previous explanation for proactivity, like the reason is build curiosity or prior knowledge students to know that how or what they learn after they look at the proactivity and do the proactivity like this, pay attention to promotional poster and answer question. Maybe like they expect, oh, so maybe after this we can create poster, it's interesting, and like this. Yeah, in proactivity, they pay attention and answer question like maybe the price, the discount, or maybe the items should be. And in the wilds is introduce the game by doing a mini role play as a seller and buyer. And this is, I think that it's interesting because students students should do a game by doing a role play. Like I think that it's encourage their ability, or maybe it can give the student more confidence, because they're create mini by doing mini role play, their speaking skills also increase like this. And in the wilds also, um, in the book of English Nusantara, have a guidance that what they should create to are doing by mineral play. And in the post activity, make a poster about the items that is going to sell, including the price and the discounts. So after they make our doing mineral play, they should create a poster promotional. I think that it's interesting for student because it can be students not only learn about language structure or maybe the vocabulary or the items or the price, but they build their creativity and they're more confident, or like this is also can affect their engagement inside classroom. And this assessment is rubric poster. So this is moving on to my lesson plan. This is the main lesson plan that I break down. After I make the ATP, I make the lesson plan, and this is the main lesson plan. Uh, Literally my lesson plan. Uh, Starting from the general information, my school name is Taman Harapan Junior High School, and the grade or phase is grade 9 or phase B, and time allocation is 40 minutes. And the lesson designer of me, Naya Saka Aulia. And moving on in the car components. In the car components, I use this table uh, um, to components and information. In the components, first is learning objectives. I give the learning objectives is students are able to present. Oh, so sorry. I choose the week 3, meeting 3. So this is the core components, like students are able to present a shopping activities, for example, asking for price, buying and selling items, and students are able to create promotional poster about recyclable materials or real of goods with vocabulary friendly in real context. Yes, same in this meeting 3. And the number of students is 30 students. The assessment is formative assessment through discussion performance and role play presentation poster design task. And type of assessment is discussions, role play, and poster creation. And the teaching model is task-based learning and project-based learning. And the core learning activities or classroom setup is individual and paid work, so this is balanced. And the facilities and equipment, I use whiteboard and projector for uh, support student learning more easily and understand. And the media and materials, I use worksheet, Canva, main master for student engagement, their affective feelings. So the students not boring on the learning learning yes, for the learning. And this is my learning activity. I choose meetings 3, which is same like I explained before. I choose meetings 3 for my lesson plan, and this is my learning activity from the lesson stage. Uh, uh, have lesson stage, have framework stage, have Bloom's level, have instructional function, and the last is form or activity and tools. Starting from the lesson stage, which is per activity, the framework stage is brainstorming, and the Bloom's level is understanding, and the instructional function is activate prior knowledge on predict the picture. And the form activity and tools, like this, I give students look at promotional poster about discount and price, use visual prompt. Some like I said before, I want my student to stimulate or build their curiosity or activate their prior knowledge about what they learn after they know that the proactivity like build their curiosity. And I revert to give the visual prompts to this poster about discounts and price. That's why it's really for the material I give to my students, like this. In this poster include discount or maybe slogan or maybe price, and after they look and they expect on this poster, I give my student to give answers to the warm-up questions like, why do you think this advertisement make you want to buy the items? Maybe some students or each students have relate to the question and their like story about their relate daily life from the relate to the poster, right? And from the tools, I revert to use MindMeister from the digital tools, which is mind mapping. Like I, mm, I give the question and then my students give the answer like this, so that students can reach out or recall their memories about their relate a question that I give to my student. And this is the link to connect the MindMeister. And from the moving on to the Wiles one, which is the getting exposure framework stage, and the Bloom's level is applying, and the instructional functions is guide, practice, and explore concept through reading, through interaction. Students, my activity is students make mini role play as a seller and buyer using price and well expressions. This is connect with my learning objective before, like students make mini role play as a seller and buyer using price and well expressions to build their practice and explore what they want after that with the well expressions. And this is also give the increase to their speaking skills. Yeah. And I use digital tools like the students choose one YouTube video that contain a scene of mineral play for the shopping activity. So the reason is uh, the students know, or maybe the students have imagination about mineral play, and they could be present a good mineral play after they watch video on YouTube. And the next activity is I want to my student create or make a group discussion in the two students pair, and each pair of students selects on second hand or recycle item that they would like to sell in the role play activity. Like uh, two students select the pre-loved items or recyclable items, and then they create a role play activity. For example, of items include a used jacket from maybe pre-loved items, and a tote bag made from old jeans, and or maybe a pencil case made from recycled plastic. The reason of this whilst one is how to they apply their activity to uh, practice and explore interaction, explore their activity before they're going through the next activity like this. And the whilst two in the framework stage is planning and practice. In the Bloom's level is analyzing, and the instructional functions is present students to analyze and apply design by planning the use of product worksheet. And this step or this stage is more high order thinking skills, because the students should be apply their material or their learning before into the high critical thinking. Like in this activity, I want my students make a design items what they sell use worksheet such as choose the product, set the price, and make slogan. For the reason, students have a bayangan how they create or plan a plan their own poster. So I give or I facilitate they there with give create a poster plan first. And this inside this poster plan, I give their several questions to make they easily create the poster promotional, like what the items or the products to and then the price or the discount. And for the interesting part is make a slogan, so they increase their actively student. So this is the link from the Canva poster plan. I use the Canva poster plan because, like I said before, effective student engagement. So students not boring. And this is the link to connect the Canva poster plan. And last is post activity. In the post activity, the framework stage, from a framework stage is creating output, and the Bloomstack tsunami is creating, and the instructional functionsnya is encourage students to demonstrate their creativity and understanding by creating a promotional poster using Canva. So after their learning from the step 1 until step 3 in the pre until post. So in the post, they can recall what they learn about making poster, about poster promotional, and so on, so on. So they can draw or maybe create promotional poster appropriately, because they have the knowledge before. So this is encourage students to demonstrate their creativity and understanding by creating a promotional poster. Um, my activity is I want to my student create promotional poster with items, price, and discount using Canva. And this is the example to a poster that I give their example. Yes, like in this poster include these items, and then the discount, and then the price. So students can make like this, also like this. And that's right, this is the link to connect with the Canva. I use Canva also to my digital firms. And yeah, in conclusion, that I think we should have a well proper to make ATP or lesson plan to my students understanding by the end of the lesson. Yes, like from the learning objective until the assessment, we should concern about this, so the students know we as a teacher and the student know what we what we what by the we can call it by the end of the lesson, we know that by the end of the lesson, the learning objective align with the material we give to our student. So I think enough for me to explain the ATP and lesson plan. For me, thank you for watching. Goodbye.